Today I will show you how to create realistic hair. For that I have taken a light sheet of paper. Now let me add the hair texture to it.
So many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream.
I am adding shadows to make it look better and more realistic. You can do it too.
Be satisfied for what we have.
Let's start. First, I will lightly sketch the hair with a pencil. We need to move the pencil in the direction of the hair texture. Where I want to add highlights, I will draw light lines to make it easier. So we will keep the highlights in these areas dots, so I will complete it now.
This world, we will go with no dream, we dream, yeah. Sorrowful, yeah. My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my flesh, 'cause no one is like you. I wish to see you, seeing you be my flesh, 'cause no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah. I dream of freedom, I dream of peace of mind.
After that, we will blend it.
Super love, supernatural love, and everything I have makes me long for more. And the more that I have, the more I long for more. So this makes me realize,
Now we will add highlights.
never satisfy my heart, no matter how much I obtain. So
Then we will darken it using a 3B pencil.
and I pray to Allah to guide me all the way till I make it to His paradise. The home of biggest dreams to see.
And to make the hair look thick, we will use a lighter pencil.
I wish to see you.
And blend it slightly. We need to follow the same process for the entire hair.
And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah. On this side, we are just passing by, like a river from the mountain, and never can water turn back to the town. We dream the dreams that can never save us from the never take fire with you when you go. Your worth will never follow, never. Relatives won't save you, only your deeds.
I have added some designs to make it look more beautiful. You can do it too.
It's the best time to work for your Jannah. Remember,
Add some hair strands to make it look even more realistic.
biggest dreams to see you, seeing you be my flesh, 'cause no one is like you. I wish to see you, seeing you be my flesh, 'cause no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet. I wish to face the prophet.
Now let's create it on another page. This page is thicker, so we will create it in a different way. I will add the same texture to this one. Okay, first we will use the lightest pencil, 2H pencil, to start. Sorry, I forgot to turn on the video. Okay, I'll explain again. We will move the pencil in the direction of the hair strands.
I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream. They dream, we dream. 'Cause we don't be satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting rich, being famous, being scholars, and
Then we will use a 5 pencil.
ordinary dreams. Forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dream, we dream, yeah.
We will darken the areas where shadows are needed.
My biggest dreams to see you,
we just need to follow the same process.
One is like you, and I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah. I dream of freedom, I dream of peace of mind, I dream of love, super.
And to make the hair look thick, we will use a lighter pencil.
Makes me long for more, and the more that I have, the more I long for more. So this makes me realize that this world will never satisfy my.
And blend it slightly.
How much I obtain, so my dream for John.
We need to follow the same process for the entire hair.
Pray to Allah.
Now we will add some highlights.
All the way till I make it to His paradise. The home of my biggest dreams to see you, see you, be my pleasure. But no one is like you, Allah. I wish to see you.
I have added some designs to make it look more beautiful. You can do it too. Here are the results. Let me know in the comments how it looks.